My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're doing yet another unboxing video. This time, we're sponsored. I'm sponsored today by Trekology. Thank you so much for Trekology for sending me your new pillow. They saw my old video where I talked about the smaller pillow that my brother and I used to go hiking in the Grand Canyon, and they offered to send me the new pillow, which is much larger, for free. So I did take them up on that offer. And however, there were no caveats, right? I never accept sponsorship unless I can do the review at my own pace and the unboxing at my own pace. So I just want to say to Trekology, thank you so much for being so patient with me as I post these videos. I want to make sure to do a thorough review of the products, right? This is the new Trekology A-Lift pillow. It's self-inflating, just like the old one is. Apparently, this one is much larger, and that's why they offered to send it, because it's a different size altogether. Just on here, it just says that it's self-inflating, designed in Portland, Oregon, and made in China. It looks like it comes in its own stuff sack here, so we're going to open this up by opening up the stuff sack, so to speak. It's just like the small one, right? The small one was just in a little can shape, and I'm sure I'm going to do a versus video on the smaller one versus the larger one. So we'll get to see the size differences specifically there. But today we're going to just do an unboxing, see if it'll blow up by itself, and we'll see where we go from there. So it looks like it goes in a stuff sack like this. Pull this out. It looks like it's got two bands around it in order to keep it rolled up tight. I do appreciate Trekology including those bands. And then it looks like simply that the pillow unravels like this. And then in order to do the self-inflating, we simply unscrew and let it inflate. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is inflating slowly. And it does look like we may have to help it along in order to self-inflate. I can feel the air cells slowly inflating, but we may have to help it along, right? Just like the other one. And as you can see, it's not a one-way valve, right? So even though we're blowing it up, the air, as soon as we stop to take a breath, the air comes rushing back out. So it's still a negative in my eyes for Trekology to do it. But look at how much bigger this pillow is. And it's inflatable, which is super nice. And it looks like it's got some type of support down here at the bottom where it's extra cushiony. So that's kind of interesting. And I can feel the cushion on the inside of the pillow. So let's try and blow it up more. We'll try and screw it tight. There we go. So look, it's a pillow. There's not much to it, right? It comes in a stuff sack. It comes with these two bands. So let's try and fit it back into the bag. I know this isn't going to be a full review. I just wanted to do an unboxing. So let's go ahead. Oh, it looks like the middle piece too has some more cushion. So it looks like this new one has a lot more cushion. The smaller one, that's just the size of a little, like a 12-ounce can of Coke, soda, whatever. It does look like that one specifically is only air, right? So it looks like this one might be a little heavier because it does have some cushion. So we're just going to try and roll this up and fit it back in. I'm just leaving the valve open so that we can definitely get all the air out. And then we're just going to put these bands around it again in order to stick it back in the bag. And we'll put the other band around it like this, see if it'll go back in the bag. We'll do that. Perfect. And it looks like it does, close up very nicely. And then we'll try and fit it back in this little stuff sack. Oh, does it come with something else in here? So it looks like this bag just has extra fabric in it for some reason. I don't know why. Look at this. What is this? Oh my goodness, I think it's a pillowcase. Look at how neat this is. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. I didn't even notice, but it looked like there was fabric on the literal inside of the bag. Now what you do with this crunchy piece, I don't even know. So I guess you can just fold this in And it looks like you can actually stick the pillow in here after it's all blown up, and it acts as a mini pillowcase too. Look at how cute this is. Wow. This is nice. Definite feature. It's not on the other one that's shaped like a little tin can. So let's try and put it back in the bag though. Shell, polyester fiber, fill cotton. So it does look like it has some cotton on the inside. And then it doesn't say that is made out of. It feels like silk or something very lightweight. So we're just gonna stick that, you know, it just looks like you turn it inside out in order to keep it back in that bag. And it looks like this just drops into there. It's taking me a little time to get it back in. Let's see if I can. I'm trying to keep the cord out, you know, and the bag going into here. So yeah, there we go. Ugh. And again, I'm keeping it so that, you know, that can completely deflate as we stuff it into the stuff sack. And then we simply cinch it closed, and that's it. The new Trekology pillow. Thank you so much, Trekology, for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. And I plan on testing this and maybe taking it with me to the Grand Canyon on my next trip. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can find my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.